Hi, this is Adam Hewison. I'm coming to you from the digital studios, and I'm very excited today. I'll tell you the reason why. We're going to be looking at one of my favorite markets, all-time favorite markets, and that's foreign exchange. In fact, we're going to be looking at the dollar-yen relationship. That's the United States dollar against the Japanese yen. As you can see, it's been falling kind of down here for quite a while, certainly since August of last year. We've had a pretty pronounced move down. But it looks like it's coming back to life, and I want to share with you some things I'm looking at that I think are going to work out well. So let's take everything off the screen. And what we're looking at is the weekly chart, okay? And as you can see, back in August of '08, we were kind of like the dollar was doing fairly well, and then it just fell down. But I want to put our trade triangle technology here on the weekly charts and see what you think. Well, here we are back in September. In fact, September 2nd at 108.09, we had a signal to basically go short the dollar and go long the yen, which means when the market was going down, we were actually making money. So when you see the USD, JPY, whatever the lead one is, in this case the USD, that's the direction of the way the market's going. So as you can see, from 108.09, we had a downward trend. So we use on the Forex markets, we use the weekly triangles, in this case a little red triangle going down, as the trend, okay? And we use the daily charts for timing. Now, I want to show you right now on the just this week at 90.93, the market's currently trading at 91.95. We have almost a full one full yen here. We're doing this live. The market's up almost over a yen, one full handle, and 91.94, and we're doing this on the 6th. Okay, the signal came actually yesterday, but we had members of the market club would have seen this, but we've been rather quite busy. I want to get this out to you as soon as possible. So here's the signal. Now this is only the second signal we have had since last September. So if you take this time period, so September, October, November, December, January, we have on the weekly. Then we had a return back to 89.51 to go short again. I'll show you that in the dailies. But this is the last signal we've had. It's at 90.93, and this occurred yesterday. So, but what's interesting to me, I'll take everything off the screen again. I want to show you this formation. We've had up, we've gone up, we've come down. It's a double bottom right here. So let's just put that in. Now that usually indicates a reversal. In this case, it will be on the upside. We've seen the strong market up here. The key thing is if we close over this pivot point right here, then the dollar is going to go quite a bit higher. So let me take this off the screen and we'll give you some target zones that we think is going to happen. So again, we're 94 here. We're right around the 88 level. So we'll call it 89. We'll be conservative. So we've got 5 full pips. That takes us up to 99, which is right here. That would be a target zone right here, based on the pivot point. That's based on if we go over this point now. That's important to remember. We also have some other indicators. We have Fibonacci. You've seen us use this tool before. You click on the very high point, go down to the very low point, and you've got some target zones there. First one, the 50% level, is very close to our 99 level from our pivot point. Remember that, the double bottom here, market moving up. It's a high, 3-week high rather. It's a buy signal. So we potentially can go to the 99 to 100 yen level, which would be a very, very nice move from here. So let's take this off the screen. Let's go to our daily charts, which is very simple to do on Market Club. And we'll show you the daily triangles. You can see right here. Remember we were short, well, we got out of that very, very easy. Now the daily basically are the timing. Now we had a negative trend for the dollar. So this was actually a covered short position, but the new position, the buy point, we showed you there before on the weeklies. So again, we'll go back to the weeklies and just show you the buy point there. And here it is. And here's the weekly buy point at 90.93. And as you see, the markets, as we're doing this live, it's actually gone even higher. 92, we're over the 92 handle now. And this is going to be probably the highest close. In fact, I'll show you how to do this. It's a very cool thing to do in Market Club. I'm going to just change from a high-low last chart to a line chart rather. Now, if we close over this level here, over 92, let's say 92.30, whatever, that's going to be a very strong sign that we've seen a low put in to this market. And again, if we go back to some of the other indicators we look at, you can see that this is looking pretty good for the time being. So let's see how we close for the day, and that's around about 5 p.m. in Eastern Standard Time in New York, where we close out the markets until Asia comes in, of course, on Sunday. So let's see how this closes up, but it's looking very, very good. So we're going to go back to our daily charts. And as I said, it's really easy to do. You can see we've made this move. Let's scope this out a little further. I'm going to take everything off. Just look at the actual action. And we're going to go back and do a very simple thing. So this is going to be a very, it looks like it's making the turn. If we scope this out further, we see probably if we do a trend line down here, you can see pretty much we're just breaking over this trend line right here. And it looks as though we're going to go up to the 98 to 99 level as a target zone. That's our target zone, particularly if we go over that pivot point we mentioned. Hey, these are Adam Hewison. We're seeing some pretty exciting markets, so get ready, get used to making moves both on the long side and the short side, and enjoy. I'll see you soon.
Hello, and thanks for stopping by. My name is Adam Hewison. I hope you enjoyed the video that you just watched. And I hope you learned something from it. That's the key thing, is to learn how to become a better trader. You must look at videos and use all the tools you can get. And that's our whole mission at Market Club. And that is to teach you, to show you how to become a better trader. And we do that through the use of videos. We also do it through the use of our very cool technology called trade triangles, which we'll tell you all about. But today I want to talk to you about joining the club. In fact, I don't want you to join the club. I want you to just kick the tires of the club for the next 30 days. And here's my promise to you, and my guarantee. Try Market Club for 30 days. If it's not everything we say it is, if you're not happy for whatever reason, we will refund every penny of your subscription. That's a guarantee from me, Adam Hewison. Hey, I want to welcome you to the club, Market Club.